Hello everyone. Hello everyone. We are back with another video. Today we are going to use ChatGPT in today's video. Going to ask many questions and try to react those answer and try to explain those topics to you in a concise way. In a concise way. Okay. First question was that first I ask about how are you ChatGPT. I am using default GPT 3.5 version, not using premium version because it doesn't make sense. I doesn't use it very often. That's why I have not upgraded. I'm using free version, so that's it. So let's see how I have asked the question about the provide the 10 top technology of today's world. What are the 10 top 10 technology of today's world? They are the list of the top 10 technology of today's world. Of course, as of the last knowledge update in September, this data the data on which ChatGPT has been trained is still September 2021, and it responding on that corresponding data, or we can say on that data. Here are the 10 prominent technologies that were shaping the world. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are the revolutionizing various industries from healthcare to finance by enabling machine to learn and make decisions based on data. 5G technology, the fifth generation of wireless technology promises. First, we are going to talk about the topic, then we are going to respond that what is that? Artificial intelligence and machine learning. What can we say about it in today's world? On date on date of 12 August 2023, in every country, in every industry, in every companies, there is only word that roaming around every year. AI, 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 AI. If you saw Google, if you saw Google press conference, or we can say keynote, Google keynote, that's all about the AI that they are using in different product of their. They all talk about the AI. How can they use AI in different field? How can they use the AI in different areas? Not different area, on different product of they have been already developed. There are various amount of product they have been developed, and their main area or thing is to main thing is to use the AI in those product. For example, ChatGPT has been used in Microsoft in quite big scale. They are using an Explorer, their browser, or you can say in Microsoft Office, and every aspect of Microsoft aspect of the Microsoft Excel, Word. They are using everywhere. So AI is the future, and I am also thinking to develop an product around AI, which will help around which will help which will help around student regarding studies. uh, it's a good it's a good it's it's a quite good idea. It's a quite good yeah, it's a quite good product that I am thinking about. Let's see where it goes now. So second technology, 5G technology. The fifth generation of wireless technology promises faster speed, lower latency, and ability to connect more devices, laying the foundation of Internet of Things, IoT, and smart cities. What is 5G technology is all about how can we connect to another person in a smooth way, without without offering too much to such a thing. Let me say that I'm searching about a thing on a Google search, and it's taking quite a lot of time. That we can say that it's a slow internet, and slow internet, or can we say is a 2G technology. We are using 2G technology as a phrase, but as a as a 1G 2G has been upgraded, the speed is all, the speed also keep upgrading. First I want to first I want to improve my speaking, then I'm then I'm going to show how my expression are going, how my hands are moving, and then that's all. First I know how to speak, then we are going to say that how can improve this also. Third one is blockchain, technology. We all know what happened in 2020 around blockchains, crypto, moonchain, blockchain, everything was there around, but now it's slowed down. It's not as boom in 2020s. Things got changed regularly. Blockchain, the technology is known as its secure and transparent nature, primarily associated with cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but also finding application in supply chain and management. There is main the Bitcoin is blockchain technology is mainly used for decentral mainly used to store data in a decentralized way. Means that it will not found in a one data center, or can we say it will located in one place. It connected with different type of nodes that can't be stored in one one place. That when we say, let me see how many already have completed 7, but continuing with the thing. IoT. IoT refer to a network of interconnected devices and objects that communicate and exchange data, leading the smartphone, industrial automation, and more efficient process. What do you mean by the IoT? IoT refer to the network interconnected devices. Devices that use interconnected like fridge. That will show what, for example, in a fridge that can be show what product has been there, or what else can be stored, or what can be there, that communicate and exchange data, that it can be, for example, fridge can transfer that data to our mobile phone, and we can use that data to purchase things from outside, leading to smart home, industrial automation, and more efficient process. Tesla is developing their robotics in order to help this kind of things. Like they can be used in different fields. Biotechnology, advance in biotech have led to breakthrough in genetic engineering, personalized medicine, and innovative treatment in various disease. I know nobody can. You are not going to study. How can someone can listen me to me? It's so hard to speak out there. It's most difficult thing to do in the world. Let me see how many minutes we have already covered. Covered around 8.35 minutes. Let you continue it. Powered by technology, advances in biotech have led to breakthrough in genetic engineering, personalized medicine, and innovative treatment of various diseases. Okay, renewable energy technology like solar, wind power, and gaining momentum, offering cleaner and sustainable alternative to traditional energy sources. Virtual reality and augmented reality, virtual and AR technology are transforming entertainment, education, and even industries like healthcare and real estate. Quantum computing, while still in an early stage, quantum computing has been potential solve complex problems that have been beyond the capabilities of classic computers. Okay, Google has been already working in this field from quite a long time. They had made a prototype that can solve problems. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars, and drones are becoming more sophisticated with the potential reshape of transformation and logistics. Advanced robotics, robots are being used in various sector from manufacturing and agriculture to healthcare and disaster response that can be used for. Please note that these are the field of technology rapid evolving. They may have been significant development since my last update. Oh, yes, the ChatGPT is also expecting that the result can be vary from this one. Explain explain about eighth point. Uh, let let's see. We are going to study about the quantum. Certainty point it referred to quantum computing, which is a revolutionary approach to computation that leverages the principle of quantum mechanics to process information fundamentally in ways. Quantum computing has the potential to solve complex problems that are currently infeasible for classical computer to handle efficiently. Quantum bits. Classical computer use bits that can represent 0 or in the contrast quantum computer are qubits which can exist in a state of combination of 0 1 due to the phenomenon called superposition. This allows computer to certain calculations which are must classical computer. Qubits can become entangled, meaning the state of the qubit is dependent upon the state of the another. Even if you are physically separated, the property can be harnessed for performing operation on multiple qubits simultaneously. Quantum gates, similar to the logic gate in classical computing, quantum gates manipulate qubits. Quantum gates take advantage of properties like superposition and entanglement to perform operations that our classical gate cannot. Quantum supremacy. Quantum supremacy refers to the point at which quantum computer can perform a certain task faster than the first classical computer. Google claimed to achieve quantum supremacy in 2019 by performing specific calculation that would be taken for 1,000 of years to complete. Oh, wow. Application. Quantum computer hold promise to solving complex problems in ways such as cryptography, breaking currently unused method. Optimization, finding the best solution among the countless possibilities, drug discovery, simulating molecular interaction, and material science, designing new model with specific properties. Despite its potential, quantum computing is still on unlisted development, and one major challenge is maintaining the delicate quantum state of qubits, which can be easily disturbed by the environment. Researchers are working on various approaches to mitigate this issue. Quantum algorithms. Scientists are developing algorithms specially designed for quantum computer to take full advantage of their capabilities. These algorithms could solve potentially revolutionized fields like cryptography, optimization, and simulation. Let me see how many minutes have been completed. Already about 13 minutes. 2 minutes are left. Shall we continue with the process? Yeah. Now I'm going to explain about what does 8 point means. It's like quantums. Classical computer use bits that can be represent either 0 1. Here it is we are talking about the microprocessor level that used to represent the data in computer that use usually bits in form of 0 and 1 that we use in daily life. Computer those we use in daily life use 0 and 1s in order to represent data in the microprocessors. In contrast, quantum computer use qubits which can be exist in a state that is combination of 0 and 1. In contrast, computer can use qubits. Quantum computer use qubits. What does qubits mean? I don't know. Which can be exist in a state of combination of 0 and 1 due to the phenomenon called superposition. Here we can say in classical computer we use either 0 or 1, not can be used in both of them together, but in quantum position we can use together both of them in one place. That is combination of 0 and 1 due to phenomenon called superposition. That thing is called superposition. This allows computer to perform certain calculation much faster than classical computer. You have already understood that in classical computer we use either 0 or 1 to represent data, either true or false, but here we can use 0 with 1 simultaneously together in order to represent data. This phenomenon is called superposition. And due to this process, due to this process, the calculation is become more faster. Those calculation which use thousand of years in order to represent, calculate, as we compare to the classical computer, they can be solved in a hour of process. Entanglement. Qubits can become entangled, meaning the state of one qubit is dependent on the state of another, even if they are physically separated. This probably can be harnessed by performing operation or multiple qubits simultaneously. Quantum gates. Similar to the logic gate in classical computing, quantum gate manipulate qubits. Quantum gates take advantage of properties like superposition and entanglement to perform operation that classical gates cannot. Quantum supremacy refers to the point in which quantum computer can perform a certain task faster than good application. Quantum computer hold promise solving complex problems in various fields. Challenge. Despite of the quantum computing is still in early stage development, on the major challenge maintain the legate quantum state of qubits, which is easily understood by researchers are working on various approaches to manipulate this issue. Okay, we have covered already 60 minutes. That's it for the today's video. Meet you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.